Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop vibration on your iPhone, how to turn off vibration. First go to settings here, settings, and then go to sounds and haptics, sounds and haptics, and then you can turn on or turn off vibrate on ring when your phone ringing, or turn off when your vibration or when your phone on silent mode, even either both of them or one of them. Alright, so now it's turned off. If you want to turn off vibration on all occasions on your phones everywhere, you go to settings again and then general. Here general, click on general, and then click on accessibility, then down to vibration, scroll down to vibration. As you can see, the vibration is on. Click on it and then you can turn it off. When you switch, it's here written, when this switch is off, all vibration on your iPhone will be disabled, including those for earthquake, tsunami, and other emergency alerts. So I will never turn off this, but if you want to turn off everywhere, you can turn off like that. Go back to the main menu. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.